Hi, I'm Rich Scott with DiscountFilters.com. Today we're going to unbox the Cuckoo countertop water filter system. So, when you open the box included, you're going to find your installation guide and instruction manual. And we've actually got a pretty good installation guide on the website as well. It makes it pretty simple. We're also going to find on the top of the styrofoam, you've got the drip cup that goes at the bottom. At least I'm pretty sure that's what that is. This is all the hardware that we're going to look at in just a minute for installation. And we'll see that there's two different types of installation. So the unit's well packed, comes with a top layer foam insulation. Make sure it gets to you safely. These stickers are just simply for instructions on how to replace the filter. So you just take that out, probably stick it on the inside panel of the unit. Looks like we've got a hose here. I'm sure this is for the water flow from your sink. We'll look at installation in just a minute. And here's our unit. And that looks like everything in the box. Of course, you've got foam insulation in the box as well at the bottom to protect it and ship it. So it should arrive in one piece. So again, I'm going to assume this is it's pretty easy, drip tray. So what I like about this unit is that it's easy to install. There's a couple of different ways to install it. You don't have to be a professional, you can just be a DIYer. The absolute easiest way to install it is with this sink. This goes right on the aerator or right on your sink. It's going to rip it open. That's the absolute simplest way to install it. So this just screws right onto your sink, and then you've got it on your faucet, thank you, on the faucet on your sink. Just turn that off and on to activate the unit. And then your water pipe is just going to flow from here straight into the back of the unit. Right back here, this would just pop into there and you're done. You are installed. What I also like is just the simplicity of use with the buttons on the top. It's just pretty simple. It tells you when to change your filter. From what I remember, it beeps different amount of times for each. There's 3 different filters in here, and it will make it clear which filter needs to be changed at what time. And then just for your water supply and your water flow, the buttons are pretty self-explanatory and simple. I've never taken this panel off. There's screws in it, so I guess you have to remove the screws to take the filters out. Glad the screwdriver was here. Thank you. We're going to find out. This should be pretty simple from here. Okay, that was easy. So, changing the filter is pretty simple. You've got obviously 3 different filters. You've got a pre-filter, which is going to be your carbon block filter. So this is going to take out chlorine, taste, odor, heavy metals like lead and things like that. Simple change. You pop it out, pull the filter out, it's pressurized. Pop the new one in, pop it in. It's that simple. Your second filter is what they call a nano positive filter. It's not quite reverse osmosis, and I actually like that better. It doesn't strip out all the beneficial elements out of your water. So it's a nano positive ultra filter or nano filter. So it is not only filtering out particles and sediment that it's catching, anything that would have come from the carbon filter, but it's also going to filter out cryptosporidium, giardia, any of the dangerous bugs that would get through your water. It's not going to get through this filter. So it's also got what's called nanopositive action. It's like a microflash kill, germ kill, antimicrobial, to make sure that no bacteria gets through. Viruses, germs, bacteria. This filter is going to take care of that. Change is that simple. Final polishing filter is actually a mineralization cartridge. So not only does it add helpful minerals back into the water, but it actually makes your water taste better. That's the secret of some of the bottled water companies. Some of the best tasting bottled water, they actually add some minerals in there. So it's going to buffer your water a little bit, Make sure it's not acidic, and it's going to add taste to it and put helpful minerals, even more minerals, back into your water. So, change out is that simple. It's literally the first time I've ever done it. Bring the panel back on. That's straightforward. You put the screws back in, of course. Then the other installation, by the way, for your faucet from your sink, we have a lot of different adapters that go with the faucet mount adapter. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple to get this thing together. I would imagine you could do this in 5 minutes. If you wanted to, we have an under sink mount. So this would just go under your sink into your cold water supply. So this would just go right in line with your cold water supply. You just come right off of what is already in existence under your sink, mount this to it, and then mount the line that goes to your faucet here, and then this line will tee right off of this. And so then you would just be able to turn that valve off and on under your sink. So it would just be off of your cold water line. If you don't have something under your sink or a hole in your sink, you can drill a simple hole, or probably use the soap dispenser that very few people use on their sink just to get water up to this unit. So it's just a little neater, cleaner way of installing it. You will need to plug it in because that's how your filter timer counts and knows the flow of water and how much water has passed through your filters to know when to change them. So there you have our Cuckoo countertop water filtration system.